This is day 4 of our Thailand trip and it's Demi's birthday! After breakfast, gusto daw i-check ng kids yung gym. Pero bawal kids sa gym, so ayan, nag-ice cream na lang kami. And then we went to Coco Cafe again to buy food and celebrate Demi's birthday. This is one of the main reasons kung bakit nagpunta kami ng Thailand. To celebrate my princess birthday. Happy birthday, Demi! In the afternoon, since it's our last day in Thailand, we decided to check Bang Sen Walking Street. The place is more or less 2 kilometers from our hotel. So papunta, naglakad lang kami. And we are not disappointed. Tignan nyo naman yung view na yan. Kahit mahaba ang nilakad namin, maganda naman ang view. After more or less 30 minutes walk, we arrived at Bang Sen Walking Street. Sabi nung napagtanungan namin, maganda daw talaga dito at pinupuntahan daw talaga ng mga tao, lalo ng mga foreigners. Kasi may mga tiangge sila at mga street foods na tinitinda dito. Pero before going there, nag-sightseeing muna kami and enjoy the view. Here is the entrance of the Bang Sen Walking Street. I think kaya tinawag siyang walking street is kasi isang buong street siya na punong-puno ng iba't ibang tinda at mga street foods. Ayan, as you can see, may tinda silang kung ano-ano. At syempre, hindi namin palalagpasin ng mga street foods. Kung di ako nagkakamali na, dito na lahat ng klase ng street food ng Thailand. And again, mura lang. Katulad nito, malaking fishball na may hotdog tapos may gulay. Ito medyo common to sa Philippines, mga juice na fresh. Kasi nga birthday ni Demi, so we wanted to buy some pansit. Pero na-surprise kami kasi libre lang siya. And until now, hindi ko ma-figure out bakit libre siya. Anyway, free is free, so we take it. And after buying some street food, doon kami tumambay malapit sa beach. Etong place na to, medyo comparable siya sa Manila Bay. Pero for me, mas okay itong place na to. Dito na-enjoy namin yung magandang view, fresh air, and of course, yung masarap nilang street foods. Medyo matagal kami tumambay dyan kasi nga pagod na pagod kami sa paglalakad. Almost 30 minutes kami naglakad just to get to this place. And pauwi, may nadaanan kaming isang booth na punong-puno ng mga sweets. Siyempre, hindi pa lalampasin ng mga kids yan. That's all. Happy birthday, Demi!